Now I want to show you the B2C platform. By default, this is an interface that we have built ourselves, but you can build any interface you want. So this is just a way of us displaying what is available in our B2C web services. From the way the results are showing in the box, to the calendar, to the way you display the guests, if you want to have dark mode or not, if you want to include small features like this one, like copy search URL, which copies the search URL so the user can give it on social media. If you want to have a banner management, the banner disappears after 30 seconds and changes per destination. So if I'm going to search for a different one, it's going to show off a different banner. That was let's say mobile friendly design and mobile friendly banner and mobile focused banner, and this is a generic banner, and you can put any content you want, and of course the user can close it. The type of filters you have on the left, everything can be changed by you. This is what we call, and you will own the full intellectual property. So if you want to take our B2C sample, it's okay. Also, if you want to take our B2C web services, all of the features and all of the small tricks that I'm going to show you are all available for your team to build, and you don't need a huge number of programmers. You just need a couple of HTML people in front. You have some typical filters. It's going to filter out all the hotels which have this particular neighborhood in the city name, in the hotel name. By default, our colleagues have included the facilities at each hotel level, so a user doesn't have to go into a hotel detail. They can see them here. TripAdvisor rating, property type, hotel amenities. You can even choose the order of the hotel amenities, whatever makes sense for you, maybe disabled access or gym or bar or whatever you want. We are also showing you the cheapest available room and the starting price. In here you have a load more feature, where you can choose to load more. By default, you can create it so that it will load more when you scroll or when the user scrolls. This works actually going fast to the top. As I showed you before, we have a night mode which my colleagues implemented. This extends to the map view as well. And in here we have various properties and various clusters of hotels. So you have a feature for get directions. I can click direction from, and I can click direction to, and then it's going to show me how fast I can reach the Pearl Jumeirah. And if I want to print it, I will have a white page to not consume the toner, and I will have a white page which either the user or a travel agent booking on behalf of a user can give. And this shows both walking and driving directions. And I can choose to close it, and I can close it from here. Also, we are using Google Maps. So this allows you to see hotels within a certain radius of a point of interest available on Google Maps, and Google Maps has most of the points of interest. And then you can increase the radius if you want. If I close this one, the system will default and will show me all the results. If you click on 5 stars, then I can click on this one, on the heart shape icon. Let's search for some specific properties. The canvas. Okay, this looks super nice. And let's search also for a more budget-friendly option. We're trying to mirror exactly what this is a 4-star, so we have to delete the. Okay, so we added 3 hotels with 3 different price points to the compare hotels tab. And now let's see the room. Okay, let's see also the Novotel. Okay, super nice. And also I have this room. You can give this link to a friend or to a family member. They can come to this page, they can scroll, and when you're scrolling, you're actually scrolling to all the results. So you can compare room types and meal options between all of them. This one for me looks the nicest, so I want to see the breakfast options for it, and click on the cancellation or info. Okay, for the deluxe room with breakfast, I have free cancellation. For the room only, it's not refundable. Okay, so let's click on book. It's going to take me to the hotel details page. This hotel looks actually super nice. In here I have some very beautiful pictures, and I can scroll down. The cheapest, the room only option, the cheapest room only options are non-refundable. They are not in my interest, and I will be a typical user. The typical user wants the best free cancellation option with free breakfast. I'll click on this one, and now I can input my data. If I click also a guest, I can book on behalf of someone else. It's going to take my data from above. I have to click on this important information tab, and in here I can read exactly what are the conditions from the supplier regarding spa, treatment, optional fees, whatever, all the conditions. By default this tab comes closed. If I need an invoice for this reservation on my company, I can put the company details and the tax ID in here, and I can proceed to the payment. Because it's a demo version with demo suppliers, I don't want to put a credit card in here, but this shows you everything that is available in our web services API. Everything you see on the screen can be changed by you, and you are going to hold the full intellectual property for everything. This is just a short run around to the B2C. Thank you.